Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everybody. Thank you very much for following me today. And today we are going to do the independent samples t-test. Okay, this is for beginners. All right. What is the rules of analyzing using independent t-test? Okay. First, okay, look at the DV. DV must be interval. What does it mean by interval? Interval means that okay, the data have like 1 to 5 Likert scale. So your answer will be like totally agree or totally disagree. But your IV has two groups. Okay, for example, gender, male and female, or yes or no, or you like it, you don't like it. So for this study, I choose gender. Okay, gender affecting satisfaction. So there's a hypothesis one here. So normally the hypothesis one will be like there is a gender differences in satisfaction of using TikTok. Okay, so you would like to see whether there is a differences in gender. Okay, so now let me you must make sure that gender only have two categories, two cases of two groups. Okay, so this is two groups and this is interval. Okay, let's go. Where to go? Go to analyze, compare mean independent samples t-test. That's what we're going to do today. Okay, let's go to our SPSS. Okay, first what you need to do is, because I'm using the gender, so you need to check here. Okay, number one is male, number two is female. So one is male, two is female. Remember this, because after this I'll do the grouping. Okay, now go to analyze and then compare means, because we are comparing the means, and then we choose independent samples t-test. Okay, so here, okay, let's put it back here. Here my test variable is, I would like to see is there any differences in satisfaction, and grouping variable, I'm choosing the male and female here, gender. So I need to define the groups. Okay, just now one is male, okay, two is female. So it depends on your study. If let's say you choose 0 and 1, you just do it 0 and 1. If you don't know, you just try an error. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 and 2 here. All right, now click continue. Okay, let me check again option. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'm going to run. Okay, now you have two tables here, group statistic and independent sample t-test. What are the values here? Okay, let's check. Yeah, so I move everything in Excel so it become bigger. Okay, as you can see here, there are 77 males and only 28 females, and this is a mean standard deviation. So what we are looking at, the first one is look at the significant value, 0.248. Remember, the significant p-value should be p equal to less than 0.05. So if let's say this p-value is supposed to be less, okay, then okay, 0.05. Okay, if let's say the p-value is more than 0.05, in this case it is 0.248, meaning that there is not significant. Okay, that is not significant. Okay, so what does it mean if it is not significant? It means that male and female, there's no differences in satisfaction of using TikTok. Okay, say that. Okay, say that. Um, say that it is significant. So the answer is different. But I'm going to answer it again. I'm going to do this task again once I find the significance of the independent t-test, sample test. Yeah. So that's for today. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Remember, this one is 0.05. Huh? All right, thank you very much. So this one is not significant. There's no analysis that I can do. Okay, unless if it is significant, I can tell that there is a significant differences between male and female. But this one is no. Let me go for another round. Okay, for now, thank you very much.